Asuntosykeyhtiö Kerinkaari.
Alright, this is amazing. Also today on the 20th of July 2023, here's Eteläinen Liipolankatu 14 staircase B. And I have filmed staircase B here also, but...
And I have filmed staircase C, D, E and F.
Okay, and I also need to film the staircases A, C, E and F later.
Yeah, I need only A.
Yeah. And it was built in 1974, but no, 73 actually.
Yeah.
So only 50 years old this year. It is also 23, but it's late 1973, and the staircases D, E, and F are from the beginning of 1974.
Yeah.
Where I have filmed D so far. And timber is VS3272, and it's going to be specced in 2025. Stated to the right here. It's in Liipola, Lahti, Finland. It has 6 floors and I like the smell in here.
Same. Spectate kiva että meidän eteenpäin on descriptissa.
I like this one also. Yeah.
Same.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I can get to the staircases A, C, E, and F later.
That's